Namaste. I am Nagaraj BG, Assistant Professor, Government First Grade College, Chiknaikanalli in BSW Department. Today I am going to teach a session on social work, meaning and definition in Tumkur University first semester. Today's learning objective is to understand the concept of social work, its meaning, definition, and basic principles. The session outcome students will be able to understand the concept of social work, its meaning, definition, and principles. In this session, we use the main terms are social work, its meaning, definition, and you know about principles of social work. When I ask the question, what is the social work means, in our mindset we can say so many answers like social work is a profession, social work is a charity, it is a poor relief, it is philanthropy, and someone says it is a social reform. Yes, you are all right, but the real meaning of social work we can see in next slide. Clerk gives four alternative interpretation to arrive the conclusion regarding meaning of social work. In that of man in street who gives in it a traditional meaning deriving from Christian and humanitarian motives. Yes, it is right. The second one is that of many welfare administrators who, out of their confusions, are grouping for a professional definition. And third one is that of the theoretician who narrowly institutionalized and professionalized it. And another one is that of practical scientist who attempts an empirical definitions as per the clerk. These in four views we can see the social work. One is charity based, another one is professional definition, another one is narrowly institutionalized and professionalized, and another one is scientific attempts. The first one, meaning to man in street. As per the street person, he says if social work is anyone of who performs those good deeds which he or she knows about is doing social work. He feel if any person gives some good things, good food, shelter, or clothes, he feels that is social work. In semi-professional meaning, a person employed by a welfare agency carries on welfare activities. He or she is a welfare or social worker. In the semi-professional meaning, if the welfare organizations or institutions or any industries, if they are giving such employable or welfare facilities, we can say it is a social work. In scientific meaning, Dr. Helen Weimer gave a scientific meaning. As per the Helen, to give assistance to individuals in regard to the difficulties they encounter in their use on organized groups, services, or in their own performance as a member of group. The another, in commonly we can say from the historical background of church charity and poor relief administration, from the double objective of helping individuals in their social and economical adjustment and in removing those conditions which produce maladjustment and from the sum total of practice part of which are distinctive of social work. In the social expertise of social work expertise, Professor Anderson gave a definition on social work. As per the Anderson, a professional service to people for the purpose of assisting them as individuals or in groups to attain satisfying relationship and standards of life in accordance with their particular wishes and capacities in harmony with those who the community. Another one person, Professor Stroop, also gave a definition on social work. As per the Stroop, social work is a art of bringing various resources to bear an individual, group, and community needs by the application of scientific method of helping people to help them. This is the main we should remember. One more time I am repeating that social work means helping people to the help themselves. In social works we have so many principles. The basic principles are, as a social worker we should follow these principles. The first one is acceptance, the second one is individualization, third one is communication, fourth one is self determination, fifth one is confidentiality, sixth one is non judgmental attitude, seventh one is controlled emotional involvement. In next class we can see in depth of principles, what is the acceptance, what is the individualization, what is the communication, what is the self-determination, what is confidentiality, what is non-judgmental attitude, what is controlled emotional environment. Yes, now in this class we knew about social work meaning in different ways. So many expertise gave their definition on social work. You should understand and adapt it in next class. We can see the MCQs like who has the defined social work as helping people to the help themselves. The answers are given. Stroop. Second one is, according to the professional Anderson, social work is a professional service to people. Who has given scientific meaning of social work? Answer you know, Helen Weimer. The fourth question is, semi-professional meaning of social work involves in employees of welfare agency. The fifth question, who has given four alternative interpretation to meaning of social work? Mr. Clark. Yes, children. Yes, students. We knew about social work and its meaning and definitions and basic principles. Thank you. Thank you so much.